I'm sure it's air in the line. There, the shower is right behind the shower in the wall there. And if you turn on another faucet, turn it on to the cold side or something, it'll stop. And then, and it won't happen again for quite a while.
The first thing I would do if I was at your house is I'm going to check your water pressure. Water pressure is a big thing. If it's over 60, the code book says 80, but if it's over 60, in my mind, it's a little bit high. So that would be the first thing that I would check is your water pressure. So the other thing, is it a single handle shower valve?
It's a single handle. You're right.
So that would be the second thing I would check. So I would probably be checking the cartridge for that shower valve. You could have like a pressure balance spool inside of it or something like that that's clicking back and forth, that making it sound like you got a tick or a hammer inside of the wall.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home.